Hello everyone. Yeah, welcome back. Hello children. We're going to look at alphabet letter. Alphabet letter F. Alphabet letter F. F says F. Again, F says F. Like farm. Pronounce this word farm. Again, food. Food. Again, fire. Again, fire. Fish. Fork. Face. Fan. And flower. Letter F says again. Letter F says we can see it as in farm. Another one, food. Another one, fire. Another one, fish, fork, face, fan, and flower. Let's go again. Farm, food, fire, fish, fork, face, fan, and flower. Letter F says what? Aside, letter F says sound letter F. Letter